Satellite image shows Chinese Predator drones that can carry Hellfire-type missiles stationed at Pakistani airbase. China-made CH-4 drones were spotted at a Pakistani air base located close to India's border. Satellite imagery shared by an open-source intelligence shows 4 of these CH-4 combat drones at the Bahawalpur airbase in Pakistan's Punjab province. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are believed to have been deployed by Pakistan as part of a training program. According to reports, Pakistan acquired 5 CH-4 drones from China earlier this year. Apart from China and Pakistan, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, UAE, Myanmar, and Jordan also operate the CH-4 besides others. Built by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation (CASC), the Cai Hong 4 Rainbow 4, or CH-4 multirole medium altitude long endurance MALE drone is nearly similar to the US-made General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper drone. Also called a company brochure at Airshow China in Zhuhai in 2014 said that the CH-4 series is suitable for high-altitude missions over land and sea, and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,260 kilograms, 2,770 pounds, and payload capacity of 115 kilograms. Endurance for the CH-4 series is claimed to be up to 30 h. The CH-4 also has a retractable electro-optical sensor turret and a data link to the ground control station. It boasts a modern, 2-person control station to fly the drone remotely, with provisions for both line-of-sight and satellite communications, Popular Science reported. The Chinese UAV can carry weapon payload including LAN GN-7, Blue Arrow 7, laser-guided air-to-surface missiles, TG-100 laser, INS, GPS-guided bombs, and AR-1 HJ-10 anti-tank missile, which is China's equivalent to the American-made Hellfire missile. 2 variants of the drone are reportedly in service with the Chinese People's Liberation Army, PLA, the CH-4A, which is primarily for reconnaissance missions with a flight duration of 30 hours, and the CH-4B, which can carry an additional weapon payload of 345 kilograms but has a shorter flight duration of 14 hours. Pakistan was initially linked to a possible CH-4 drone purchase in 2016 when Cai Hong, the lead designer of drones at China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC, at the time, said the company was talking to a South Asian customer. In June 2016, a Chinese wing-long drone crashed in Myanmar, Pakistan during an experimental flight. This was an indication that Pakistan was evaluating Chinese UAVs. It is unclear whether Pakistan acquired the CH-4A or B variant. If it was the CH-4B variant, it would mean that Pakistan has gained another armed drone, in addition to its Barak series, for unmanned combat operations. Thanks a lot for watching our video in your precious time. If you like the video, please like and share the video with your friends.